So how to fix YouTube small screen like that? I am using the higher TV. First plug in and plug out your TV connections and turn on your TV and go to the home screen by pressing home button, and then you see the setting option. So you have to go the setting, press on setting, then go to all setting, and then you can see the apps option. Select apps. Now see all apps. Now find the YouTube and go the YouTube, and here you can see the clear data and clear cache. So just clear those things, press on OK, and clear data as well, and go back, and let's check it's working or not. By press the home button and go to the YouTube, then it's again show. So the next solution is go the apps again, then select uninstall update, press on OK. So you have to reinstall your YouTube apps on your TV. Once done, then go back, then go to search option and search the YouTube, then you easily able to find the YouTube. Now press on open. Let's open a video now. Yeah, thank you.